do this?
Yeah.
Alright.
Is it rolling?
No. You want it rolling?
See how it says 4 or 5? It's
Yeah,
rolling.
it is.
Okay. Electric Eureka vacuum or take 2. It sounds a little rough after it's I need to put a little more. I only put 1 strip on it because I didn't expect it to actually work. Ended up working. Everything's fitting a little loose once I get it tweaked a little better and everything's put on more forceful because it's heating up and the duct tape is starting to come off. But as for right now, it works. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.